all the dipping, and you was let's say kind of wash their hands before you doing number 3 and the top coat. You can apply this all that is floral stickers first, and then you can apply the base. Make sure you have to have a base on it too. You can do any of this. This is 3 set of flowers, so whatever you want to place them on, they look so cool and stunning. Oh, I want some of this. I have this one too. I get the tiniest smaller one. You can place randomly the way you prefer. Like the same, if you feel like a milk bath, and it's randomly all that, you know, flowers, petals. I will pick some pink right there, some purple. It's going to be randomly. It doesn't have to be an accessory exactly the same. Great. Maybe that's one. And you can lay it on the top of each other too. And they stay on really nice and flat. You see that? And it's not going anywhere. And if your clients just want just like that, they don't want anything else, you can encapsulate with the condensed glue gel. But I'm gonna wrap this one really quick to show you this, because I will pick some kind of a nude, not, I was saying a sheer colors, like a pink sheer, but something like that. That's it. And like have a milky pink. It's like, it's not opaque, it's like have a translucent and half of opaque and translucent, and you just apply it on right over the top. You can see that it's changing it from a white. If the clients don't want, you just want white, you can put another milky white gel polish on it. This one here for 60 seconds. There you go. 60 seconds.
Pretty Yuna said, my body is trained to watching Nancy no matter what.
Thank you so much, Nuna. So you can do any colors like that. And also, as some chamfer foil is really pretty, you can also achieve that one look with I just wonder what it is though. Where does this come from? My next ones, I am going to using this mix bags. I'm gonna just draw it right here for you to see it. Oh, and then we have a 3D as well. In the meantime, I'm waiting for that nails. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. This one I found it from mix bags right there. Oh, and some dragon scales. I'm excited. Ta-da! That's it. And now we're gonna do, to be really encapsulating it, to prevent from getting like lumpy bumpy. Actually, it's not gonna happen ever, but I'm gonna be double secure by using my condensed glue gel, one layer of it, just thin coat, and no white top coat here for 60 seconds, and you'll be done with this nails. Unless you want some crystals, but If the clients don't want any, just milk bath. If you want more like a busy and more flowers, you can't. Oh, I'm gonna have to close my... Great, so now 60 seconds and this nail will be completely done. This is for all of you who love gel polish, hard gels, and want to do milk bath nails.